This video is brought to you by QTH The Lightning Products and sponsored by busy2buy.com. Shop with confidence.
Hello friends, let's begin with new topic, social bookmarking. Social bookmarking is an activity of adding and sharing website links on different online services that allow sharing content and social bookmarking. Social bookmarking websites allows users to add, edit and publish the links with the possibility of tagging the link. It generates a large amount of links which are submitted by the users. Tagging is used by these websites to organize a bookmarking system and to provide users of the website to easily browse through the existing links. Besides sharing a link and adding a tag, these websites may include additional features such as adding description, comments, votes, or even the possibility to automatically share on social networks by connecting accounts. The main reason for having a social bookmarking system is to have useful links organized in such a way that you can quickly find the link you need. Links shared this way are often called bookmarks and they can be private in case you want to keep your list to yourself, or public if you want to allow other users to access your list. You as a user of social bookmarking website can create an account to share your own links, or you can interact with others, which is why this type of websites are called social. You can usually follow other users' feed to keep up with the links they publish, or you can find out some interesting ideas from other users' list. Websites also allow searching options which help you browse the links shared by other users using tags or keywords. Links can frequently be prioritized by relevance or category, allowing users to quickly find the resource they need. Popular social bookmarking websites. There are many social bookmarking websites available today. The term social bookmarking has been present from 90s, but only after 2003 has this topic become an element of social media marketing. Let's have a look on the ones that have the largest online communities, as they have potential of having positive influence on your social media marketing strategy. Delicious. Delicious is considered to be the pioneer in the area of social bookmarking, as it is the service that has popularized the idea of social bookmarking and tagging content. The website was founded in 2003 and it offers a unique simple interface for sharing links. Delicious is said to have over 5 million users worldwide. Reddit. Reddit allows users to create text, post, or submit links. The links are then organized based on a voting system which uses up or down to evaluate the usefulness or quality of the post or link. The content is organized into topics called subreddits. According to the website statistics, the website has almost 234 million registered users. Dig. Dig is a popular bookmarking website that lets you organize, store, and share your web links. It provides the readers the most pertinent stories they look for. If your content is shared on Dig, you will get lots of relevant traffic and your website will definitely rank high. StumbleUpon. It is a famous website that lets you easily discover images, videos, web pages, etc. Scoop it. It is a platform that allows sharing links called scoops within the topics you create on Scoop It. The platform also allows searching and discovering content that has already been published on Scoop It. You are allowed to add your own description to each scoop you publish. Connecting with other users, following other topics, and linking your social media account is what gives a social media to access analytics and generate leads by using lead generation integration option. Digo. It is a social annotation, highlighting, and social bookmarking website that allows registered users to bookmark web pages and highlight any part of it and attach sticky notes. Advantages of social bookmarking. Viral. When you bookmark a web page on a popular social bookmarking website, visitors will see it as on the same page. If they like your post, they will bookmark it and share it on their website. Thus, your website can go viral. Boost traffic. The larger the number of social bookmarking sites your valuable content is posted to, the more is the number of sessions. Your website gets exposure and more people tend to visit your website. Capsule testimonials. You can bookmark all good testimonials of your customers and make them see the bookmarking site. They will see all the pages, shares, and links on one page. Trace your success rate. You can track the number of upvotes and downvotes for your post on a bookmarking site. It lets you analyze how successful you were in delivering your message. Lastly, branding. You can use relevant keywords to promote your website. You can also interact with others in your community, which helps in creating brand awareness.